Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're going to introduce one of our members. We are actually going to do a whole walk around of this car and a couple installs for you guys. And we're actually going to make a whole playlist on our channel dedicated to his car. So if you guys are interested in American Muscle, he's got a Mustang GT. It's pretty dope.
Dope ass car.
Introduce yourself, bro.
Hi, Leo Pena. Just joined the Limitless crew. Got my 05 Mustang GT here, V8. Things that we have done to this, we've done a full exhaust system, headers, all the way to the axle backs. We have currently gutted the car, completely empty.
So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the like button. And yeah, if you guys like American Muscle, make sure you guys follow the build.
Alright, so first thing first, we gotta get this bolt out, and we're gonna reuse this bolt
On this side.
to mount up the harness bar. Mount up this main harness bar. So we're gonna take this out, and yeah.
Cool. Stay tuned.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is still movable, which is good. I'm gonna loosen this side a little bit. Okay, so this is more movable.
You want it to be movable?
Yeah.
Why?
Because when we adjust the bottom, we're gonna need to tilt it a little
You guys
bit.
hear that? We have to tilt it.
Okay, so this has a clip. Clips. This is gonna be stuck on the factory. I'll probably cut it off later. But that's the T50. Unbolt that. Okay. So once we get this, take this off.
Oh, fuck.
The washer off. Okay. Now we go to our next part.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, my baby!
It's raining right now, guys, so shit's kind of getting wet.
It's raining outside. Getting wet. Oh, this shit's getting wet.
Guys, G's back up. The G is back up. I had to replace the radiator. But yeah, hope you guys are so far enjoying the vlog. This is a pretty dope car, guys. Don't mind the Taco Bell on the floor, but
So, guys, we out here.
hey, thumbnail or what?
What?
Thumbnail?
Come here. What do I do? How do you do this shit?
Don't forget the double clutch.
Pose way.
Wait, let me smell it.
Alright.
We out here. Toyota Supra 2020.
Okay,
Alright, hold on. Let me. Oh, actually, yeah, go for it.
so this piece is gonna connect this plate to the stock seat.
he removed the seat and he installed this rear seat delete that has a part for the back and then it has a part for the bottom, which is pretty dope. Makes it look pretty nice. Let me get that banner real quick. Let me get the front. Right on, man. Alright guys, so there you have it. There was the seat install. What is this?
Harness bar.
The harness bar. He was also able to put in the weird seat deletes and this lip. It was all done today. So make sure you guys follow this build. Remember, his name's Abel. Drives a Mustang GT. Pretty sick, man. He's got some cool plans for it. So if you guys are interested in American muscle, make sure you guys follow. Alright guys, pretty much set up. All strapped in. 5-point harness. Shoulders. 2 on the side, 1 in the middle. That's dope. I gave him a little sound test.
Have to unbuckle, put it inside, pick it up. We're done.
What do you want to tell him?
Don't do it while it's cold.
It's cold as hell, guys. So if you guys hear a bunch of wind, that's why. It's really windy. Look at it. It's pretty windy. It's cold out here. But yeah, guys, we're done. Okay. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Cool little install. Mustang GT again, guys. You guys interested? Stay tuned for the playlist. We're gonna have a lot more mods for this car. We're gonna have a whole playlist dedicated to this car specifically. We'll do the same with a bunch of our members. Yeah. Slowly but surely, guys, we're growing, and yeah, thanks for all 71 of you subscribers that are, subscribed to our channel. Not a lot, but something. We started out with nothing, which is pretty cool.